Welcome. Jody says it's time to check out the Garmin 7X Sapphire Pro in its outdoor swimming mode and its pool swimming mode for its accuracy, inaccuracy, and is it any good? Now, spoiler or teaser for the end, I'm almost a world record holder for the 100-meter freestyle now. So I think that's going to answer your questions. Let's have a look at this thing and check it out. Right, so what I'm going to show you on screen now is some of the stats. The first one was a swim yesterday. I did 22 laps, so 1,100 meters. And as you can see, it counted them as 100. The reason the time was sort of my average, about 20 minutes, was because of that world record attempt that we'll talk about later. The second one was an open water swim, just 500 meters. And we're looking at the stats for that now. It thought I did 407, even though there was actually 500 meters. And that data actually coincided with today's swim. It was exactly the same problem. It was a 500 meter swim, and it was 80 or 90 meters short in the end, which is far from ideal. Let's have a look at the map now. And as you can see from the map, it was all over the place. I was all over the place, apparently. I was swimming in a 2 meter wide lane, and it thought that, well, look at it, all over the place. So the world record attempt, we're looking at it now. Apparently I did 100 meters in just over 48 seconds. Impossible. Even when I was training regularly in my teens and I was healthy, sub 1 minute, I did a 58 once, and that's as quick as I'll ever be. So it thought I did it in 48 seconds. I noticed it miscounted laps at the end, midway through. So, you know, I stopped, and then it thought I did 3 laps when actually it was just 1. So that's the world record attempt. 2 seconds off. It's 46 seconds, I believe, currently. So I was getting a GPS lock. That's important to state, waiting beforehand. However, I am going to be doing some troubleshooting and seeing if I can get the accuracy up. There is an option to allow all on the GPS. I was wondering if the default mode just did all the GLONASS and all the other sort of locks it can get. The watch is fully up to date. I've done it on my PC, I've done it on the app. So it's going to be troubleshooting the next day or two, figuring out if I can get it locked in and more accurate. But currently, it's just way off. Let me show you, just before we go, a ocean swim, so we can rule out any GPS interference. And I forget off the top of my head, because I've got to put these pictures in after when I edit it. I know for a fact I did 2 laps round a buoy that was out in the sea, and it only thought I did 1. And I think it said I did about 150 meters or 300, but anyway, yeah, it was 200 or 300 meters short. So disappointing. The pool swim mode, even with the correct pool length set, before anybody suggests it, I did check. And the GPS open water mode is basically extremely disappointing. I know the 8 is out now. This is the 7X Sapphire Pro Solar. I had a screen protector on it. I took the screen protector off today, so I've ruled that out, but I'm rambling. So we're going to wrap this up and basically go with currently bad, but I'm going to do some troubleshooting. I've seen people reach out to Garmin, and that is a complete waste of time. That is a dead end. And we'll see if we can fix the problem, because if you like stats like me, stats are off. Jury's out. You take care. Catch you for the next one.